Robots are everywhere. They build our cars, they clean our homes. Soon they will be driving us to work, delivering our packages, and even performing surgery. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of the rapidly advancing field of robotics. For decades, robots were confined to factories, performing repetitive tasks in controlled environments. Today, robots are breaking free from these limitations. Advanced sensors, powerful processors, and sophisticated algorithms are giving robots the ability to navigate complex environments, make decisions, and even learn from their experiences. One area of particular excitement is multi-robot systems. Imagine swarms of robots cooperating to build structures, explore hazardous environments, or even perform search and rescue missions. The possibilities are staggering. These systems are no longer a figment of our imaginations. They are here, and they are about to change our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Buckle up, because the future of robotics is collaborative, and it's moving faster than ever. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this revolution in the next chapter. At the forefront of this robotic revolution stands the Cambridge RoboMaster. Developed by engineers and researchers at the University of Cambridge, this cutting-edge platform is accelerating the development and deployment of multi-robot systems. The RoboMaster is more than just a robot. It's an ecosystem, a suite of hardware and software tools designed for researchers and educators to explore the frontiers of multi-agent robotics. The RoboMaster boasts an impressive array of sensors, including LiDAR, cameras, and inertial measurement units, allowing it to perceive and map its environment with remarkable accuracy. It's agile too, capable of navigating complex environments with speed and precision. The true power of the RoboMaster lies in its open-source software framework, enabling researchers to develop and test their own algorithms for multi-robot coordination and control. As we delve deeper, we'll explore the groundbreaking applications and future potential of the Cambridge RoboMaster. Multi-robot systems present unique challenges. Individual robots must not only perceive their surroundings and make decisions, but also coordinate their actions with others. This requires a deep understanding of machine learning, planning, and control. Machine learning algorithms allow robots to learn from data, improving their performance over time. In a multi-robot system, this enables robots to adapt to changing environments, learn from each other's experiences, and develop novel strategies for collaboration. Planning algorithms enable robots to set goals and devise plans to achieve them. This is particularly challenging in multi-robot systems, where robots must move in coordination, avoiding collisions, and maintaining formation. The Cambridge RoboMaster provides a robust platform for researchers to develop and test these algorithms in a controlled environment, setting the stage for the next chapter. The potential applications of multi-robot systems, and by extension the Cambridge RoboMaster, are vast and varied. Imagine a fleet of autonomous vehicles navigating the streets, delivering goods and transporting passengers with unparalleled efficiency and safety. Or consider a team of robots collaborating to build a structure in a fraction of the time it would take human workers. In disaster response, swarms of robots could be deployed to search for survivors, assess damage, and even deliver aid to those in need. The Cambridge RoboMaster is already being used by researchers worldwide to develop and test these applications. Its versatility, combined with its open-source nature, makes it an ideal platform for pushing the boundaries of multi-robot systems. As we look ahead, the innovations and advancements made possible by the Cambridge RoboMaster will continue to transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The Cambridge RoboMaster is more than just a technological marvel. It's a glimpse into the future of robotics. A future where robots don't just work for us, but with us. As multi-robot systems become more sophisticated, they will transform industries and redefine our relationship with technology. Imagine a world where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives, augmenting our capabilities and enhancing our safety. This future is closer than we think, and the Cambridge RoboMaster is helping to make it a reality. The future of robotics is collaborative and it's exciting. So, keep your eyes peeled. You might just see a RoboMaster changing the world near you soon. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of robotics.